पूछिए।
So, ma'am, what do you have to say about your upcoming project? What do you have designed?
We are, yes, we designed sample apartment for the Rustomjee Elements, and we are associating a charcoal project, associating with the Rustomjee Elements for this project and for being their design partners. I'm very happy to be a part of this because it's a very beautifully planned and very intelligently thought through development in Juhu. And I think that I'm more happy because even it's something that I'm also bought to live here. Yeah. So I'm going to, my own apartment is also in this building, so that just goes to show you how much I like this property.
I request you have to look into the front only.
Okay.
Questions can come from any side.
But if we go a little bit front, yeah, come. Be better, no? Yeah. So, yeah.
पूछिए पूछिए।
Okay, so when you were designing, what was the main thing you kept in your mind?
So I think the main thing that I kept in my mind was the whole feeling of quiet luxury. It has to be more towards serenity and keeping a very calm space where you are happy with what you are, when it's not only about, it's a home, your house is your home, and these are the people who spend a lot of money to buy these homes. So as a designer, it is our job, and as developers, we want them to have the full value for their money and also the feeling of completeness. And I think that that whole thing of quiet luxury, keep everything more calm. The color palette is very calm. There's a lot of wood and metal, and there's a lot of mixture of texture. So we are giving all of you the video, so you all will see it. And so it's something that we've done with a lot of passion and a lot of love. And we hope that everybody who comes to live in Rustomjee Elements feels that what we have done.
Good evening, Suzanne. And would like to ask you कि एक घर के लिए क्या आवश्यक होता है? What's important for?
I think
घर के लिए?
most important is the whole feeling of complete harmony. There is a peace. There is a peace about your home, and the interior design is what defines that peace. So I think that we have captured a lot of aspects of that, and it's come out.
Two important questions to you. First of all, there's lots of competition also, like Gauri and other people are also designing. Do you feel the competition?
I think that Gauri is my dear friend, so I'm really happy that she's also doing very well, just like how we are. And I think that it's when you're friends, you feel happy for the person. There's no competition. It's more love. So I think that there is so much of great creativity in this interior design business, and I'm very happy that that on large people are getting the awareness to have better homes and to spend on their homes rather than jewelry or clothes. So I think I'm happy for India as a whole, because there's an awareness of having a home is as important as what you wear. You know?
Suzanne, one important thing which we hardly get to meet you. We have been seeing you on Twitter expressing your support. Ritik has been going. Please, Ritik has been going.
Any other question?
Susan, a request to you.
Sorry?
A request
Any
to
other
you.
question? No personal question. Sorry, no personal questions. There. What else? Oh, I think that for me, every client that I have is a very important person to me. So it's not about only the actor or the actress or whoever. I think each client and each family that we design for Charcoal Project makes them feel very special.
Suzanne, before you leave,
Yes. They all love it. They're very happy.
who would like to you would like to have you as your neighbors?
Who? I would just like to have good people as my neighbors.
No, that is too diplomatic. Too diplomatic.
Okay, thank you. Bye.